Hi, it's Jo Harris. I'm Bellbird's Educational Advisor. Today I want to talk to you about risky play and tools. So these tools could either terrify you or excite you, depending on which way you look at them. But I hope to inspire a bit of confidence in you choosing to use these resources with children. But before I would ever recommend introducing tools, one thing I would do is do an assessment, a risk assessment for safety, but also an assessment on children to see where their skill level is at. So if you went right back to a toddler type experience, you could look at this pounding set, which if you look, it's a smaller, lighter version of whoops, where we want to end up eventually. Told you it's heavy. So I'd look at a pounding resource first. So can you put the ball in? I won't hammer to save your ears, but basically that's the action we want to follow. Then when we've mastered this kind of resource, I might look at introducing something. Here's my friend Bendy mannequin over here. If you can see, we've actually got a little mini vest, like an adult vest, the goggles. I've actually put two different resources together. The goggles go with the 5-piece safety set, and the tool belt is master kits. But there's a step in between, as I said. So we've gone from pounding hammer to tap tap. So my friend Bendy mannequin would feel confident enough to be able to manage the small taps and hammering action. And once we felt satisfied they were there, it's time to move on to the real tools.